In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit display. Then scroll again, this time to choose font size and style, and then hit font style. Now tap on one of those to apply it right away and go back to check out your changes. If you want to try something else, you can go back to the same section of your settings and this time hit download fonts. Now use those buttons next to font styles to download the best one for you, or click on it and hit install button. To apply one, just go back to the list and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!